Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip at Trade Genius. So a couple things I want to cover in this video. One is kind of the price action we saw today in Bitcoin on Friday. There was expiration. There was also some FUD that came out about crypto exchanges getting shut down by the SEC. So I want to address that too, because I think largely that's just based on rumors and fluff, and I really think it's clickbait. Also think it was kind of coincidental that it happened on the day of the CME expiration, where price can get a little volatile. So let's dig into the charts here. So again, guys, I just want to cover the Bitcoin price action, and then we'll talk about that article that I think is pretty baseless as far as substance. So the price action here, you know, if we look at the date at if we look at the expiration chart here, you'll notice again we expired today, a little bit red, but again, are we going to counter this kind of sort of upward biased move into this and then roll back over? I mean, there's definitely a case to see a downside move, because we're hitting this resistance and this trend line. So again, most of the time when we have the CME expirations, which is delineated here in this with this red line, you know, we see a counter move. So keeping a heads up on that. This is why in the room we moved our stops up. You know, because of the tendency for things to get a little volatile, and at this point we want to basically see what direction, kind of a show of hand with the market here before we take another position. Guys, speaking of the room, we have these fall specials. They're going away Sunday night, so encourage you to take advantage of them. This configuration of specials is not coming back. So if you're interested in training, or the software, if you want the indicator, or if you just want to be with us in the room, we also have our own handpicked signals that we send out. Any of this stuff, we'll throw in a half hour of coaching. So you know, take advantage of that. Again, tradelikeagenius.com, fall specials ending on Sunday night. All right. As far as the ICO journal, that's where we had some FUD that came out, and basically the headline was "Coming Exchange Shutdown: Sources and Rumors." So that's the operative word there, or words, sources and rumor. I mean, they're basically saying Kraken, BitMEX, Binance are all at risk as the CFTC and SEC design regulatory actions. There's a lot of fluff here. This comes off of the action by the SEC shutting down onebroker.com. Here's the key difference though. Onebroker.com was, you were able to like upload whatever, crypto, Bitcoin, whatever, and then you were able to take positions on securities like stocks and things like that. And that's going to be a serious no-no. I mean, that was just a matter of time before that got shut down. The other exchanges are just crypto, so you know, crypto specific. And then keep in mind things like exchanges like Kraken or Coinbase or you know, Bittrex, things like that in the US, Poloniex. These are all licensed money exchangers in different states. So these guys are legitimate. You know, they're not doing anything illegal. And I think it's kind of reckless to be sending out, you know, based on anonymous sources or rumors, these articles. You know, to me, that's kind of like somebody gave them some incentive to create some bearish news. You know, day of the CME expiration, create some volatility. So again, I think this is just straight up FUD. I don't think there's a lot of meat to this. And like I said, the exchanges that are in operation and have been in operation for years are doing it lawfully. So just keep that in mind. There's just not a lot of meat to this. So if you see this, or you see that, you know, the headline floating around out there, whether it be on Twitter or whatever, what have you, I'm not buying it. I think it's just a lot of clickbait. And I think the timing of it as of today on the expiration was a little bit suspicious too. So anyway, all right guys, well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate the views. Please hit the like button, and better yet, hit subscribe. We appreciate that. And I'll see you on tomorrow's video, guys. All right, take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.